Yo, what is up everybody, it's Ahmed. We're diving deep into the world of vlogging today. That raw, unfiltered, behind-the-scenes look into people's lives. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. It's like sharing your diary with the whole world, but way more interesting. We're gonna break down everything, what vlogging is, how to do it, and why it's blowing up like crazy. So grab your cameras, your phones, whatever you got, and let's do this. Alright, let's break it down. Vlog, short for video blog, is basically like writing in a journal, but instead of words, it's video. It's your life, your story, your way. Think of it like this. You got something to say, something you're passionate about, something you want to share with the world, boom, that's a vlog. Could be anything, your day-to-day hustle, crazy adventures, even teaching people how to make the perfect cup of coffee. It's all about connection, man. People connecting with you, your story, your perspective. It's real, it's raw, and that's what makes it so powerful. Forget fancy cameras and Hollywood production. Just grab your phone and start filming. The beauty of vlogging is that there are no rules. It's your platform to express yourself, to connect with others, and to build a community around something you love. Vlogging is blowing up, and there's a good reason for it. In a world of filters and fake smiles, people crave authenticity. We're tired of the perfectly curated BS. We want real stories, real experiences, real people, and that's exactly what vlogging offers. It's like hanging out with a friend, getting a glimpse into their life, their thoughts, their struggles, their triumphs. It's relatable, it's engaging, and it builds a connection that's hard to find anywhere else. Plus, with vlogging, you can literally find a community for anything. Love to cook? Boom, food vlogging community. Obsessed with skateboarding? Skate vlogging community? You name it. There's a community of people out there just like you, waiting to connect. One of the coolest things about vlogging is that there's a flavor for everyone. Seriously, whatever you're into, there's a vlog for that. You can chronicle your daily grind, take people along on your travel adventures, teach them how to do something awesome, or just share your thoughts on life. Think about what gets you fired up, what you could talk about for hours. That's your niche, man. That's where you'll find your people, your tribe, your community. Don't be afraid to get specific, to niche down, to really hone in on what makes you unique. Remember, the more passionate you are about your vlog, the more it's gonna shine through and the more people are gonna connect with it. Alright, ready to jump into the vlogosphere? It's easier than you think, I promise. First things first, what are you passionate about? What story do you want to tell? That's your niche right there. Next up, gear. Don't get hung up on fancy cameras and expensive equipment. Your phone is a powerful tool, man. Start there, learn the ropes, and upgrade as you go. Now the fun part, start filming. Get out there, capture your day, your thoughts, your experiences. Don't overthink it, don't worry about being perfect. Just be yourself, be authentic, and let your personality shine through. Alright, you're creating awesome content, now it's time to take it to the next level. Consistency is key, my friend. Try to upload regularly so your audience knows when to expect new content. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, answer questions, have conversations. Building a community is all about interaction. Remember, it's not just about you, it's about the people who are watching and connecting with your story. And most importantly, stay true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, don't try to copy what everyone else is doing. Your unique voice, your perspective, that's what makes your vlog special. So, what are you waiting for? The world is ready for your story. Grab your camera, hit record, and show us what you got. Don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know what kind of vlog you're gonna create. And hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a solid and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content creation tips. Keep creating, keep sharing, keep inspiring. Peace out. So, are you ready to start your vlogging journey? Let me know in the comments what kind of vlog you'd love to create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on content creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Create, share, inspire.